Traditionally, valve actuation, people do it is over 95% of people that do it is they do it in an engineer to order kind of way. So regardless it's 500 units, 200 units, 2 units, what they're going to do is going to build from scratch every single time, engineer to order. You will encounter time delays and a lot of challenges in documentation confusions. The solution we come up with is a VOS pack product, which is a valve actuation package, pre-engineered. Everything is pre-selected. All the documentations, technical documentations, drawings, bill of material, part numbers, everything is done. Traditionally, to put together a valve operating system, you will have to go to multiple vendors to put them together. With VOS Pack, with this product, you don't have to do that anymore. What you're going to get is a complete package on a modular system, which include limit switch, filter regulator, solenoid valve, smart positioner, quick exhaust, all in a very compact modular system, come with one part number and one tagging. When you receive the equipment ready to install, or when you use it for a while, in commission for a while, you're ready for service. Because of the whole package come with it, one serial number, it has digital tagging. You can either scan the QR code or scan the RFID tag, and you'll be able to get instant access to the complete section of all the documentations, drawings, bill of materials, manuals, spare parts list, and this will put everything on your fingertip and to get you instant access to that. And on top of all the benefits, this package comes with a unique industry-leading 5-year warranty. So at your work currently, how do you handle your valve operating systems? Please come to Emerson Exchange 365 community and let us talk about it.